Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add Swimlane in Lucidchart, so let's get started. First, head over to the Lucidchart website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button to get things rolling. Enter your email address in the designated field and select Next. Then, type in your password to complete the login process. Once you're all logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Over here, click on the New button to open up a selection menu on the screen. From that menu, choose Lucidchart to create a new diagram. After that, click on Create from Template. Over here, a search bar will appear. Type in Swimlane Template into the search bar. Once you see the Swimlane template, select it. Then click on the Use button to open the template in the editor window. Now, with the template open, give your chart a name. Choose something descriptive so you can identify it later. After that, click to drag and edit the chart to fit your needs. Adjust lanes, rearrange elements, and make the necessary changes. Then, to add shapes, click and drag them from the toolbar to your desired location on the Swimlane chart. Position them properly to organize the steps, roles, or phases clearly. Once your shapes are in place, select the Line tool. Draw lines from one shape to another to show the flow of the process. Make sure the connections are clear and logical. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.